Hi, welcome to the Motown India show. My name is Roy Punnoose Tharyan. This packet has been lying around at my house for the last 1 month or so, ever since the lockdown started. In fact, it arrived a few days before the lockdown. I was expecting that people from Nexzu would come in and open this packet and assemble this e-cycle here in my house. But unfortunately, lockdown was clamped in the city and nobody could come to my house to open up. And I am really curious what this packet contains. In fact, it's bits and pieces of an e-cycle. I want to see in what form it has come. So I'm going to unbox this and let's have some fun here.